Go carpet cleaning in Snellville, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning prides itself on only using eco-friendly and natural solutions that are safe for your whole family, including your pets. Our cleaners are specially trained to handle both business and residential carpet cleaning jobs. Our team is passionate about providing high-quality carpet cleaning services that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and brand new. Hiring one of our professionals to clean your home is an easy way to take back some time in your day. By having a cleaning expert on staff, you'll be able to relax and enjoy your free time more. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say.
Ben is phenomenal. The job we had for him was tough, and we were not even sure of the results we would get. But it was better than I even thought it would be. He was easygoing, fun, but super professional. I will definitely be using him for all of our carpet cleaning needs in the future.
Amazing work. Will recommend. Hard worker.
In addition to our regular cleaning services, we also offer rug cleaning. Do you have an oriental rug that requires some TLC? Co Carpet Cleaning can take care of dirt and grime in your area rugs. Just give us a call and let us know that you're interested in stain removal for your oriental rugs, and we'll set up a consultation for you. If you want to learn more about Snellville, be sure to keep watching. The metropolitan area of Snellville is a fantastic place situated in Gwinnett County, Georgia, USA. In this outlying area of Atlanta, you can find Snellville City Hall and Briscoe Park, which are the best places for many shows and events. City Hall includes one of the best places, the Veterans Memorial, a monument to those men and women who have served the country. Let our team help you with your carpet needs, or any of our other services. We're more than happy to assist, so please don't hesitate to get in touch if you're located in Snellville or the surrounding area. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/ carpet-cleaning-services/Snellville-GA, or call us at 678-818-5698.